In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2 to a TV. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to connect your console to a TV, you're going to need the Nintendo Switch dock, an official power adapter, an HDMI cable, and your TV. This method works the exact same on both the original Nintendo Switch and the Switch 2, but essentially open up the back cover of the dock and plug the USB-C power cable into the port labeled for power, and then plug the adapter into a wall outlet. From here, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port in the dock and the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV, and then just take your Nintendo Switch and make sure that the screen is facing the front of the dock, gently place it in there, and once it's inserted correctly, the screen will turn black and the dock's indicator light should turn on, showing that it is in docked mode. Using your TV remote, change the input source to the HDMI port that you plugged it into, and your Nintendo Switch display should now appear on your TV. You can use your Joy-Cons or compatible controller to navigate, and if you want to adjust how it looks, just go to your system settings and then go into display, where you can then change the resolution and any other display settings. If it's not working, just make sure your dock is connected to power. Try switching to the correct HDMI input and try connecting a different HDMI cable. But that is it. Your Nintendo Switch should now be connected to your TV running in dock mode. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.